Okay, motor. Looking for any rust here. Do not see anything down here by the motor mounts. Manifolds look good. Other motor mount, can't really get too far down there. There we go. Pull this up. That looks clean. A little bit of surface rust right there, but it looks clean. Transmission mount looks good. Again, a little surface rust on the other one. Same thing on the tail shaft there, but it's just a little bit of surface. It's got a freshwater strainer. Motor cover is in good shape all the way around. No bad vinyl there. Down the sides, no bad vinyl. Seats good. Again, this is the one I showed you earlier, that spot, and then these little spots right over here. Down this other side. All that vinyl looks real good. No issues there. Same deal with the passenger seat. All clean. Underneath looks good. Just needs a good cleaning. Vacuum, scrub. Driver's seat. Same deal. One itty bitty little spot right there. Controls. All good. All the gauges work. It's a key ignition, and it does have a heater. Mirror, and